Okay, guys, I'm going to explain a topic for you regarding arithmetic progression, right? Arithmetic progression, right? In the arithmetic progression, right? So we are going to deal how to find any term when two terms are given. The concept is how to find any required term when two other terms are given. When two other terms are given. Other terms are given. Right? So when two terms are given to you, how to find the required term? That is the given question for you. If the question is like this, if the question is, if the fourth term, if the fourth term of an AP is 16, right? And sixth term is 24, find ninth term, right? This is the question what we are having, right? If you check it out here, right, the series is talking about is nothing but AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, Nana, what he is asking us to find? He is asking us to find the ninth term. Ninth term yanta. Ninth term, how much is the ninth term? He is asking us to find. Okay, and what he has given to you, what is given to you is fourth term is given to you and sixth term is given to you, right? He has given sixth term and he has given fourth term, and he is asking us to find the ninth term. Okay, so what is the procedure? So now let us go according to the sentence. First, what he has given, this is the thing what he has given to us. First, right, fourth term of AP, fourth term of AP. Right, fourth term of AP is 16. This is what he has given. Right, fourth term. How much is the fourth term? It's nothing but 16. So what we are doing, that is, right, just now, or right in the last topic I said to you, he said fourth term, A4 is equal to 16. This is what he has given to us. Fourth term is 16 he has given. It is in the question. Now I am writing in terms of symbol. A4 is equal to 16, which implies, right, as I said you yesterday, right, by using the nth term formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, I am writing fourth term as a plus 4 minus 1 into d is equal to 16. Why? Because he is asking fourth term. We don't know A and we don't know D, right? That is what we are supposed to find now. We have to find A and we have to find D, right? But we know the nth value. Nth value, as he is telling fourth term, n is equal to 4. So which implies we can write it as A plus 3D is equal to 16. You box that one and you call it as first equation. This is the first equation what we got, right? So what is that one? Fourth term is 16. With the help of the given one, we got the concept that A plus 3D is equal to 16. Now let us go for the second one. What he has given the second concept? He has given this one. That is, sixth term is 24. This is the second thing what he has given. What he has given? Sixth term is 24. This is what he has given to us. First, we are writing the sentence. Whatever the sentence he has given, we are writing that. Later on, we are converting in terms of symbols, right? Sixth term is 24 he has given. So if we know sixth term, as he is asking sixth term, we can call it as A6 is equal to 24. Sixth term means A6. Means is equal to, right, is equal to 24. Now, just now I said by using the nth term formula, A plus, right, 6 minus 1 into D is equal to 24. A plus 6 minus 1 into D. Why? Because if it is fourth term, 4 minus 1 into D. If it is sixth term, A plus 6 minus 1 into D. That is what you have to remember, which implies A plus 5D is equal to 24. You box that one and you call it as equation 2. This is the equation 2 we got. But again, I'm repeating you guys. What is supposed to be finded? He is asking us to find the ninth term, right? What he has given to you? He has given the fourth term and also the sixth term, right? Fourth term, I have converted as A plus 3D is equal to 16. And sixth term, I have converted as A plus 5D is equal to 16. Now, right, we have to do one thing. Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equations 1 and 2. The two equations what we got, we are solving that one, right? The bigger equation should be kept on the top and the smaller equation should be kept at the bottom. According to me, sixth term is the bigger. So second equation I kept to the top. That is A plus 5D is equal to 24. Now the first equation I'm keeping at the bottom. A plus 3D is equal to 16. Right? Now let's do one thing, right? We have to solve both the equations now. To solve it, the smaller equation should be changed its signs. If you are having plus, change it as minus. If you are having plus, change it as minus. And if you are having plus, change it as minus. Right? Now if you check it out, plus A and minus A gets cancelled. Right? Here we are having plus 5 and minus 3, which is nothing but plus 2. That is what? Plus 2D is equal to 24 minus 16. It's nothing but 8. Right? Now D is equal to 8 by 2, which is nothing but 4. So we got the value of D as 4 now. So what else we need to find? We need to find the value of A. So what we are doing? Substituting, right? D is equal to 4 in equation 1. Whichever equation we think it as simple, let us substitute in that one. So what is the first equation? First equation is like this. A plus 3D is equal to 16. All right. So let's do one thing. Let's simplify that. So A plus 3 into D is equal to 16. Just now you got the value of D. I'm substituting. As you all seen, D is nothing but 4. Now A plus 12 is equal to 16 and A is equal to, if you transpose 12 to the other side, 16 minus 12 and A, you got it as 4. Right. So guys, I'm repeating it back again. What is needed? We need ninth term. What he has given fourth term and he has given the sixth term. With the help of these two terms, we have to find the ninth term. So what I have done, I have written fourth term as A plus 3D is equal to 16. Sixth term as A plus 5D is equal to 24. Now I solved both the equation by subtracting and I got the value of A and D. Right. Now what is needed? We need ninth term. Right. So for the sake of ninth term, let's write the formula here. Right. What's the formula? Just now I said, and you know nth term formula. Nth term of AP. Nth term of AP. As you all know, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula what I have given in the last topic. What you want now? We need ninth term. Ninth term of AP is needed. So ninth term, we are writing it as A9. So which is nothing but A plus 9 minus 1 into D. So which equals A plus 8D. Right? But as you all know, right, what is the value of A and what is the value of D? Right? Let's check it out. So the A value, we got it as 4 and D value also we got it as 4. Both are 4. So let's go for that one. So A is equal to 4 and D is equal to 4. Let's substitute there. Right? In the place of A, I'm substituting 4 and in the place of D also, I'm substituting 4. That is 4 plus 32. So which is nothing but 36. So what you got? We got A6, right? A9, we got it as 36. So conclusion, right? What we are going to conclude now, that is ninth term of AP, ninth term of AP, comma, A9 is equal to 36. So this is how we are supposed to find, that is when two terms are given to you. He has given fourth term as 16 and sixth term as 24. And with the help of that, we were able to find what's that. So the ninth term, just give a recap of that one. He has given fourth term and sixth term. With the help of that one, we were able to find the ninth term. What's the ninth term there? 36. Hope you are able